Hello, my name is Alex Gist, and this week I learned that bike maintenance is a oh, come on. They say it on network television all the time. Okay, I'm gonna go one more time. Hello, my name is Alex Gist, and this week I learned bike maintenance. Okay, this time, okay. One more time. Hello, my name is Alex Gist, and this week I learned that bike maintenance is a I also learned to speak to the camera with my mind, which is, interesting? Not really sure. Moving on, this is my bike Gimby. She's a co-op DRT 1.2, and I've had her for just over 2 years now. And over these past 2 years, I've tried my absolute hardest to run her into the ground. And because of these last 2 years of bike torture, nearly every part of my bike needs replacing. That includes my chain. Now you might be saying, Alex, you silly goose, you can put the chain back together and it'll be good as new. And you're right, if that was the problem, but it's not, unfortunately. As we can see here with this handy dandy tool, my chain is busted. Neither one of these ends should be able to fit inside my chain, but as you can see, they both get nice and cozy in there regardless. Now, I'd be lying if I said I knew why this was such a big deal, but people keep telling me it is, so I got a new chain and slapped it on. Well, that didn't work. Let's just throw it harder. Ta-da! First try. And man, this new chain worked great. Until it didn't. Unsure of why this was happening? I did some research. Sick. Oh shoot. That makes sense. And as I found out, my 7th and 8th gear are also busted, meaning I need to replace them. And this makes sense, considering my 7th and 8th gear are my most used gears, and they're also 2 of my smallest, so it's a miracle they've lasted this long. So I did what I do with anything that causes me problems. I got rid of them, and then I replaced them. And with that, my camera died, without even capturing me putting on my cassette. But at least my bike works. So now that we've taken care of that is bike maintenance, I can finally make the videos I want. Oh wait, no, I broke my rear derailleur cable, so it might be a minute. Thanks for being patient though. So now that we've taken care of that is